Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm doing a model review of the 1:400 scale Gemini Max Boeing C17 Globemaster. This is the Bryce Norton edition. At the top it says limited edition collectible Boeing C17 Globemaster 1:400 scale. In the middle we have the photo of the aircraft, and underneath that it says Bryce Norton. Underneath that it says made for collectors by collectors, Gemini Max. Now there's some information here if you want to read that. Hopefully you can read that. And then some more information here. So now the box is out the way, I shall go on to the model itself. So here she is. I'm going to start at the front, so I'm using a pencil rubber for this. So you've got the cockpit windows, and then you've also got, it's just struggling to focus at the minute, I do apologise. I'm just gonna, here we go. So it also says Royal Air Force, and the registration of this is ZZ172. You've got the 4 engines and the winglets and the tail there. So that is the model. Now I'm going to briefly bring this VC10 in. So both of the RAF aircraft together. So these two go very nicely together. The C17 operates to Bryce Norton and London Stansted Airport. So this will be great for the addition to my collection. So yes, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give a thumbs up and please comment, like and subscribe, and I shall see you in the next video. Please go and follow my Instagram, that is also called Gemini Jets Luton. I post all my photos of my models on there, so you please do go and check that out. Yeah, I shall see you in the next video. Bye.